background color from hair and fill. Don't do this because these are the classic way to remove the background from hair. Or background eraser, select the one's color, not working perfect. So how do this in professional? The first, unlock the layer, go to window, properties, and scroll down, remove the background. Just in one click, remove the background and wait. Here is the result. Let's zoom in. There's no background color in hair. Okay, let's go to next. Here, I have another image of the cat. So I want to remove this background from hair and fill. The first, let's go to open. Let's open some image and let's move the cat here and scale down. Alt plus shift on keyboard, scale down. Then let's select the cut here like this and click on mask. Then right click, select unmask. Select the refine edge, refine hair and start from here. Here is I remove the background like this. And don't forget, there we have output setting, decontaminate colors turn on and click OK. Here is the result. The second way how to remove the background from